Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville 2 YouTube channel. For this video, I thought I'd show you my second ever 3D printer creation. And it's this little guy right here to use as an adapter for the DeWALT vacuum and the orbital sander. It may fit other things. I have no idea. This is what I needed it for. So that's what we created, and I will upload it to Thingiverse and leave a link down below if you want to give it a try and print it out and see how it works for you. Actually, if we start with the vacuum side first, that was really easy because this is a tapered friction type fit anyways. When you put the other extensions on, they just push right on. So that wasn't a difficult thing to do at all. But the problem was the sander side, so it comes with the little dust bag, and it gives a little 1/8 turn, and it releases. It actually has to do with this crevice right here. And if you look inside, see those little balls? There's 3 of them, and when it's in this position, you can just push them in and out. But if you grab it and twist, now they are forced outward, so whatever's behind there is pushing them, pushing them in, giving them tension. If you can see it move or not, but so when it's locked into place, it grabs that little groove. Otherwise, this is the same diameter throughout. So I have a tapered hole here, and it took a couple of practice tries to actually get it to fit over and lock on somewhat well. But then once we get both pieces all ready to go, we have our little vacuum adapter for the sander. Hopefully keep things a little bit cleaner and not just have dust flying all over the damn place. Now I created this on Tinkercad, which is actually pretty useful, but it has its headaches. And what I learned from my first project is nothing goes according to plan at all ever. So what I started out with was I just needed an individual ring that's tapered using the pyramid shape on Tinkercad, and I needed it to fit the sander. So this piece fit the sander. Then I decided I need a piece that'll fit the vacuum. So I created another tapered cylinder that created the vacuum. And that turned into the first practice piece, this guy right here, just one cylinder on top of the other one. Now I can't remember if it was this one or this one, that when I put them together, I actually messed it up because you need to have the big ends on the outsides both coming to a tighter center. And one of them, all I did was put the one thing on top of the other, so I had small to big, if that makes sense. Something like that. So I had to flip over one. And then this one was actually the best print. I mean, it doesn't look like it, because I think mostly because my printer sucks, but maybe I just don't know what I'm doing. That was some glue I tried putting on it. I wanted to see if it would dry clear, and obviously it did not, so I thought maybe it would help it keep it solid. But I printed this one 1.2 millimeter shell with 60% infill, the cubic design or whatever, and it's mostly a cylinder, but actually this middle, you can see the step right here. Let's look at the actual one that I'm using. You can see that step. It's actually pretty thick right there because it's the entire width right there. So anyways, this one's only 40% because this took like 26 hours to print, and I just didn't have the patience to do it again. So it'll work. I'll be happy when I get a new 3D printer to, I don't know, hopefully things come out a little bit better and I don't have to sit there and spend more time fiddling with the thing than anything else. But I'm pretty happy that it fits both ends. It's a successful thing and something that I might actually use. I got some sanding I gotta do here shortly, and I'm just hoping it creates a cleaner atmosphere. Anyway, if anyone else wants to print it for themselves, like I said, it'll be on Thingiverse, and I will add that link down below. So thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.